This is my hula hoop exercise video. 100 hula hoops in 4 minutes. There will be demonstration of the various heights of the hula hoop on the abdomen. It will also demonstrate the speed. The higher the hula hoop, the slower the revolutions. The lower the hula hoop, the faster the RPMs of the hula hoop. Now here we go. We'll start off at the high level. This is just like in a regular Hawaiian motion like you see on a Don Ho film in Hawaii. Notice how it gradually caresses the abdominal muscles, and then sometimes as you get lower you must take the Elvis pose and kind of get on one knee down lower, and if it starts getting too low you really have to kind of speed it up a little bit. Now let go like this. Oh, dadgummit. Oh well. Let me try it one more time here. Now this is the starting up on the upper abdominals, and then if it gets down lower you really gotta get it going. Wait a minute, here we go. Now we'll get it down to the lower where we can really work the abdomen. Now see the speed increases. We get the Elvis pose going. Oh yeah, I'm going. That's what I'm talking about.